The Arts Picnic is an annual event that happens the last full weekend in July every year. And it is a great loved event by the community. We have over 150 vendor booths. We have 2 stages with over 14 different performers throughout the weekend. We have kids activities, kids entertainment, we have buskers, we have food galore in the food court with cuisine from all over the world, and we also have 2 beer tents. The Arts Picnic is a very popular juried event, and it is juried by some very great people that have been helping us every year. And we have different medias represented, from wood to metal to jewelry, painting, fabric, you name it, just about everything is represented in the arts here at the Arts Picnic. The kids hands-on area has a little bit for everyone, all ages. So even up to adult, we have coloring projects, we have over 7 different crafts. So altogether we have 700 different make and create, and we can take and create them too. So they're also put together in bags where kids can take them home if it's too hot or they've not finished their project, and they're all equipped with directions so they can finish them here or finish them at home or take the whole kit home. We have tattoos, face painters, we have magicians, we have balloon artists, little something for all kids of all ages.
And followed him up to the gates of Graceland.
We love the Arts Picnic because I do shows all over the tri-state area, and this is one of the most well-organized, most profitable, and well-run shows that we do, and the people are always really nice.
I like the people, I love the entertainment. I don't know, this is one of my favorite shows to do. My customers, because they always expect me to come back and always bring something new and different, and I just love making them happy.
I like the Arts Picnic. Many of the things I like are the fantastic food that's here. There are a variety of things to eat and drink. There is entertainment all day long. They have a magician who performs. They have fantastic music. They have entertainment for the kids, and the customers are so nice to me.
Let's hear it for Riley.
Let's hear it for
Thank you, Riley.